It's 7 o'clock and so is Tommy's bath time. Tommy runs to the tap to make his bath bigger. He likes really big baths. His mummy tells him, "You are going to use up all the water from the river if you continue." Tommy always wondered what happens to the water when he gets out of the bath. He decides to ask his mum. "Mummy, where does the water go?" says Tommy. Surprised by his question, his mummy says, "I'll tell you all about it when you're in bed." Tommy listens to everything his mummy says after that and gets ready for bed in the fastest time ever. Tommy asks again, "Mummy, where does the water go?" She replies, "Well, after you are finished in the bath and you pull the plug out, gravity makes the water swirl through the hole." Tommy closes his eyes to picture it, and he keeps them closed. His mummy continues, "Then the water goes down small steel pipes. They have to be steel so that it is strong. These pipes are connected to larger sewer pipes that take the water all underground." "Wow," Tommy replies. His mummy continues, "After all that, it goes to plantations. This is like a factory for cleaning water. So then the water is cleaned and filtered." "Amazing," Tommy interjects. "It is treated again and finally it makes its way back to the river." "I can't wait to have another bath, Mummy," says Tommy. And in no time, Tommy is fast asleep.